We are Team Inferno from Delhi Technological University. Started in 2013, we are a 28-member strong team built on the shoulders of students from across all engineering disciplines. For better management, the team has been divided into 5 sub-departments, namely mechanical, electrical, software, science and corporate. Since our returning from IRC 2020, we have all been working hard in order to amalgamate all our learnings to overcome the impediments in our endeavor to build a better OA. And here we are, proudly presenting to you Novus.
Novus features robustness and innovation at the core of its design and fabrication. It boasts of a 90 minutes of runtime provided by 2 lithium polymer batteries of 16,000 mAh each. Keeping in mind the communication range required and the restrictions on the communication band, 2.4 GHz ubiquity omnidirectional antenna ensures a communication range of up to 1 km. The intelligently selected kill switch mechanism ensures a foolproof safety system for the whole electrical and electronic subsystem.
The science task attempts to perform and analyze the in situ analysis of a given soil sample using a plethora of chemical tests and sensors in order to detect the presence or absence of light. Novus is equipped with a Ninja Star-based soil collecting mechanism, and custom-built PCBs are designed to ease the integration of the sensors with the main framework of the rover.
Novus is equipped with the double rocker suspension, which helps to navigate the obstacles up to 30 cm of height. The suspension is designed to ensure the maximum contact between the wheels and the surface all the time. We incorporated bar differential mechanism pivoted at the base of the rover towards center of mass for better stability and control. We have designed and fabricated a custom-made wheel consisting of a layer of acrylic sheet followed by a rubber foam and a final layering of threads for better traction control.
With Hall effect sensors, 24-volt heavy-duty planetary gear brush DC motors are driven using Cytron dual-channel motor drivers and controlled via Rossiel using microcontroller.
A 6DOF robotic manipulator with carbon fiber composites in arm links provide high strength to weight ratio. Gearboxes house these gears, hence preventing the meshing of these gears to break due to sudden jerks. It can lift loads weighing up to 6 kg. The gripper works on 4-bar linkage mechanism. Further, it is equipped with custom jaws manufactured using a rubber foam composite that provides flexibility and helps in firmly gripping and operating tools of various dimensions.
Linear actuators provide better maneuverability of the arm. The robotic arm constitutes 5 12-volt brush DC motors with absolute encoders that provide precise feedback. The custom designed PCB bring modularity to the overall system by eliminating the possibility of connection failure due to the movement of the arm and optimizing the merit of the wires. The 6DF arm is being built with top-down orientation, enabling better maneuverability of the arm.
Autonomous traversal task, Novus has been equipped with various sensors, LiDAR, IMU and GPS. LiDAR is being used to provide obstacle detection data to the ROS navigation stack. IMU and GPS are being used to provide the orientation and precise location of the rover on the rugged terrain. We are using the motor encoders to get the odometry data, which provides us with the speed and direction of the rover. We are also using OpenCV and machine learning models to perform arrow detection and object detection for the traversal.
The testing plan for Novus has 3 phases: pre-manufacturing, post-manufacturing and optimization strategy. In the pre-manufacturing stage, we have used simulation softwares like ANSYS, Proteus and Gazebo for improvement in our designs. For post-manufacturing phase, we have used the rover's subsystems individually and tested it in our simulated environments at our college facilities. In the optimization strategy, we have minimized the differences between design and practicality by using Novus in all the IRC missions possible.